Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Pleo Business Spending Solution. Review my usage experience. Pleo Business Spending Solution. Review my usage experience offers a streamlined solution for managing business expenses. It's aimed at small to medium-sized businesses and freelancers who need a better way to track and control spending. Key features include virtual and physical company cards, expense tracking, and automated reporting. Their website provides details on various plans and pricing. Pleo positions itself as a user-friendly alternative to traditional expense management systems, emphasizing ease of use and transparency. They highlight features like real-time expense tracking, simplified reconciliation, and no hidden fees. Their website claims a simple setup process and intuitive interface. Availability is generally global, but specific regional access should be checked on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Pleo Business Spending Solution. Review my usage experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I signed up online, and within minutes I had my virtual card activated. The onboarding process was clear and concise, guiding me through setting up employee accounts and defining spending limits. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of all transactions, categorized neatly. I found it really easy to track expenses for different projects. I simply assigned each transaction to the relevant project tag. The reporting features were a game changer. Generating expense reports for clients took seconds, rather than hours of manual data entry. I had a quick question about integrating Pleo with our accounting software, and their support responded within a day via email, providing a clear and helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated reconciliation. It saved me so much time. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app for offline access, although this is apparently something they're working on. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Pleo. It's streamlined our expense management significantly, saving both time and money. That's my overview of Pleo Business Spending Solution. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.